Bright Duty. Every student matters.
Poultry farming. The poultry birds are reared, taken care of, they are fed, and the purpose is to obtain eggs as well as to obtain meat. There are two different kind of poultry birds. So, the improved poultry breeds are developed and farmed. All right. So, improved breed is obtained by crossbreeding again. Next, improvement in poultry breeds. Crossbreeding is done between Indian or indigenous and foreign or exotic breeds. All right. So, Indian breed example is Asil, foreign breed example is Leghorn. If crossbreeding is done between these two kinds of birds because they belong to the same species, then a better quality of breed can be obtained. Crossbreeding programs are focused to develop desired traits. What are the desirable traits? Quality and quantity of the chicks produced by them. We want dwarf broilers parents for commercial chick production. Summer adaptation capacity, that is they should be tolerant to heat. Low maintenance requirement, okay, so they should be able to feed on simple food which is actually the farm byproducts. And reduction in the size of egg laying bird with ability to utilize more fibrous cheap diets formulated using agricultural byproducts. All right. So, broilers, here I would like to tell you, broilers are those birds which are reared to obtain meat. All right. For after 6 to 7 weeks, they are actually they are utilized to obtain meat. On the other hand, there are egg laying birds, all right, which are called layers. Okay, so they are actually reared for a longer period of time and eggs are obtained from them. So, just have a look at this picture, a typical poultry farm, all right. They are fed with these seeds. This is a huge poultry farm here, all right. So, egg and broiler production. Broilers, they are fed with, I told you broilers are those which are actually reared to obtain meat. So, they are fed with vitamin rich supplement for good growth rate and better feed efficiency. Care is taken to avoid mortality. They should not die during that period and to maintain their carcass and feather quality. They are produced as broilers and sent to market for meat purposes. The daily food requirement for broiler is protein rich and adequate fat along with vitamin K and A. All right. So, these are the requirements. Protein rich food which with adequate fat and vitamin K and A are in sufficient quantity, so that a good quality meat can be obtained from them. So, next topic is what about the shelter for the poultry birds. This is a good shelter with good space and lighting. All right. Look at this. So, proper cleaning and sanitation of shelter should be there. Maintenance of temperature and hygiene in the shelter. No, it should not be very cold or neither very hot. Hygienic conditions should be maintained. Then proper ventilation, okay, open from both the ends so that air can circulate. Large area for the shelter to make it spacious for the birds. And preventive and control checks should be there to reduce the disease and pest occurrences. So, if we follow all this, then the chickens or this poultry birds will have better health and they will provide us better food quality. So, let's take a look at various poultry disease and how they can be prevented. The poultry fowl suffer from various diseases caused by various agents. First is fungi, like example is aspergillus, aspergillosis. All right, viral diseases, fowl pox, bird flu, dermatitis, bacterial diseases like diarrhea, cholera, tuberculosis, and also some parasitic diseases like Ascaridus and Sequel. Apart from these pathogens, they also suffer from nutritional deficiency disease. If they are not fed with proper nutritional diet, they will suffer from deficiency diseases also. So, how can we prevent these disease? Firstly, by providing nutritional diet, okay, it should have a balanced diet, proper cleaning and sanitation of the shelter. If the shelter is clean, then the chances of disease occurrence and spreading of disease is less. Then vaccination can be done to prevent occurrence of infectious disease. Another is spraying of disinfectants at regular intervals in the shelter. So, we can take these measures to prevent diseases to the poultry birds.